Looks like what's the mode here?
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. World record for 2 pages. And the table shows the scores of some pupils in a math quiz. What's the mode?
7.
Oh, well, this is a good question, actually, right?
8.
Because if you wanted to do this one properly, let's slow down a bit. You should do that ordered list again. So you do 3, and then how many 4s are there? How many 4? 2 4s. And then how many 5s?
1.
1 5. Okay, sorry. All right, and then how many 6s?
2.
2 6s. Okay. And then how many 7s?
3.
3 7s. Okay. I think
one
we have
eight.
winner, right? And how many 8s?
eight.
Just one very smart math student. Iris is on top of it. Okay, and so what is the mode here then, guys? What's the mode?
7. The
7.
mode is 7.
All right, so I guess I'm supposed to circle the, I guess I could circle this, I guess I'll circle each of these, I suppose. I'm not sure exactly what they want us to do, but the mode is 7. Okay, so let's go to the next one. And what's the modal score?
7.
7. Okay, why do you say that?
I think mode and motor score is the same.
Yeah, well, what we need to do here is say that yes, it is
I think
7. Yeah. So we should say 7 there. Okay. All right. And so that'll work for that. Okay. All right. Let's see here. How's everybody doing? You guys doing okay? Does everyone have their books out? We're all doing this? Okay. All right. So yeah, we could say that the modal score is the same thing as mode. Okay. So we should say, what is the modal score? We should say 7 there at the top of page 147 now. And how did you find that? Well, you could say it is the number that appears most often. You can say the modal score, sometimes it's called modal value as well. It's called modal score or mode, kind of the same thing, or it is the same thing, or mode. And I want you to write this all out, okay? Is the number that appears most often in a set of data. Okay, so is the number that, so be writing this whole sentence, appears most often, you could say. You could say appears most often in a set of data. Okay. And I'll just say that most often. All right. That's good enough for now. Okay. All right, so make sure you've written that. Take a picture if you're falling behind, but make sure you say the modal score or mode is the number that appears most often in a set of data. Okay, the next one there, what's the mode here? What's the mode? Anybody?
3.
Sure?
Is 3.
All right, so let's see here. This table shows the different buses the pupils in a class take to school. Okay. So in this case, I think what they want us to do here is pick whatever bus number the most kids sit on. Does that make sense, guys? So it's not the, you're correct. This would be the mode.
18, 23, and 25.
Yeah, but what's the most popular bus?
20.
20 is the most popular bus. So that is what they're talking about for the mode, because there's 8 kids on bus 20. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, but there's,
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
see, it's a little tricky. Yes, you're correct for if you're just looking at pupil numbers, but we're gonna say bus number 20. Okay. Alrighty, that'll work for that. And for B, is 8 the mode of the above data set? That's a little bit strange to say. I'm gonna say no, it's not. This is a difficult question because if like, yeah, it's sort of difficult. Like, which data set do you want us to consider? I'm gonna say no, okay? All right, there's only one bus with 8 students, you could say. You could just say like that. There is only one bus with 8 students. You could say 3, I think, is the mode. To me, 3 is the mode there, right? Don't you agree?
Yeah,
No,
but
there is only one bus with 8 students. We could say that and be safe. That is a true statement. Alrighty. So I'm not gonna say 3 is it. It's kind of funny to say this. We'll say 8 there. There's only one bus with 8 students. There you